In this video, I will show you how to turn captions on or off on your TCL Smart TV. Now over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but following the same steps, you should be able to turn on or turn off captions on your TCL Google TV, TCL Roku TV, or even the TCL Android TV, just like this one over here. Now to achieve this, from the home of your TCL Smart TV, you want to scroll over to the settings icon that is usually at the top of the right hand side of your TCL Smart TV. So scroll over to that settings icon, click on it, and then you just want to scroll down until you get to device preferences over here. Click on device preferences, and then you just want to scroll down again until you get to the accessibility settings, which is over here. Click on it, and then you should see the captions menu on your TCL Smart TV over here. Go ahead and select it just like so, and from here you can turn captions on or off on your TCL Smart TV. So I can go ahead and just turn it on just like so, and you can literally see a sample of how the captions will look on my TCL Smart TV. I can also go ahead to customize it by selecting the options I want over here. I can choose the yellow on black, or I can choose the black on white, or I can also choose the yellow on black. And also go ahead and change the size and even the language if you want to. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.